The risk-reward profile of investing in Bitcoin resembles an investment in a high-risk startup more than an investment in a stable store of value. The advantages of Bitcoin. With respect to investments with similar risk-reward profiles are its liquidity and its availability for anybody to invest. An additional advantage of Bitcoin as an investment is its low correlation with other assets. The Bitcoin startup is a new payment system and the associated products that could be launched using it. Bitcoins are just the tokens that give access to this system. The greater the volume of funds using the system, the greater the value of these tokens. A market for these tokens has developed, where participants demand the tokens either to perform transactions or speculate on the future value of the tokens. Once a stationary state is reached, there is less incentive for speculators to hold the Bitcoins. On the other hand, if the value is stable, there would probably be more demand to use it as a store of value. As with early-stage startups, there is some probability that Bitcoin will grow to capture a significant market share of the payments market, and there is some probability that it will fail and the value of the investment will go to zero. Some possible scenarios under which the startup would fail and the price could collapse to zero are: a serious security flaw is found. The security flaw has to lead to massive hacking. Otherwise, a slow deployment of the solution to the flaw could provide a smooth transition. An attack undermines the trust in the technology. This could lead to users leaving in a self-reinforcing negative loop. A competing technology, say an altcoin, a meta coin or a payments platform from a big internet player, replaces it. Under this scenario, most of the investment in the ecosystem is preserved because it can be easily repurposed to the substituting technology. However, the value of Bitcoins would collapse as users and companies leave them for the new network. Bitcoin would lose its value in a world with no electricity and network connectivity.